everybody. It is Monday. I'm not sure the date. December 14th today. That's crazy. So it's Monday, December 14th. I just finished doing my makeup and now I'm gonna get dressed. It snowed today. Do you guys want to see? There's snow on the ground, which is super exciting. Tonight we are gonna make some dinner. We're gonna also then head down to Salt Lake City and go on a little date and go to the mall there. So it should be a really fun day. I'm gonna get dressed and then probably work a little bit, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Everybody, we are at the City Creek Mall in Salt Lake City. Made it barely because we almost died on the way here because my car slipped on the black ice and it was the most scary thing I've ever experienced, and I cried afterwards. But it's okay, we made it. Now we're here and just walking around the mall. I wanted to elaborate on like this black ice experience because it was so scary, guys, and like, oh my gosh. So this is what happened. Driving to Salt Lake last night, it wasn't snowing like while we were driving, but you could definitely see like, you know, some snow on the side of the road, or it looked like water was on the road, which most of the time that could mean black ice. I'm not from Utah. I didn't grow up here. I'm not really used to driving in snow or icy conditions. I'm from California, so it's very different. We were driving and I was literally thinking to myself, I was like, I really hope I don't like slide on black ice, because that just like, you know, that's scary. My brother was in a really bad car accident a week ago, and yeah, so I was just thinking, I was like, I don't want to be in a bad car accident right now. I'm scared of that. And literally a few minutes later, as I was driving, I saw the car ahead of me I was in the carpool lane, kind of hit their brakes. So I was about 100 or so feet behind them. So I started going on my brakes. But as I was going on my brakes, I was not braking. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is happening. I started literally like my car was doing this kind of motion and it was so scary. Ian was asleep in the passenger seat, so he woke up at this point because my car was literally like just swiggling like a little snake or something. I was keeping my wheel straight, which I know you're supposed to do, I think. The thing I wasn't doing was pumping on my brakes or not touching my brakes at all. I was like fully on my brakes because that was just my initial reaction. I've never been in this experience. So I was just like, I'm trying to stop the car. And my worry was about the car in front of me because their brakes were working, mine weren't. So I was like, shoot, I'm gonna rear end this person right now. Luckily the fire lane kind of opened up because I was in the carpool lane, so I was all the way into the left of the freeway. And so I was able to kind of go into this fire lane, like diagonal in the lane. It was so scary, guys. I was like, what is happening? I was actually very calm in the moment. I thought, like, I wasn't speaking. I was just like doing it and like shocked that this was actually happening. So now we're in the fire lane and I'm trying to like, I'm still fully on the brakes, but we're not braking. And I was like, oh my gosh, we're about to die, because I'm like, we're gonna hit something or someone. And of course, literally like ahead of me, there's like an accident that had happened, you know, I don't know, a few minutes earlier, and the ambulance and the car was completely totaled in front of me. And I'm like going into these people. I'm like, my car's not stopping. I'm going into them and I'm like, oh my gosh, like what is gonna happen? Hallelujah, my car literally stops. It's a miracle, about 50 feet in front of them. Oh my gosh, it was horrible. And afterwards, I literally just started bawling my eyes out because that was like the worst thing ever. I did not like that. Obviously, no one likes that, but it was just really scary. And Ian took over and started driving. But yeah, that was my traumatic experience on black ice. Never again. Bye.
And we've got pine tree, pine coal, evergreen, mistletoe, candy cannons, and Jaclyn. Gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all.
Alright guys, we are now at axe throwing. We're gonna throw some axe. I've never done this. I've always wanted to do that, so we're super excited. So let's throw some axe. We just finished axe throwing. It was actually so much fun. Did you have a good time, babe?
I did, yeah, it was really fun.
What was your favorite part?
beating you.
Beating me. He did beat me. But
no, dude, she gave me a run for my money. She's so good. Like right out the gate, she was doing better than me.
It's actually really fun, and I'm actually impressed with myself. I didn't think I'd get any, so that's good. But anyways, thanks for watching today's vlog, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye. Good afternoon, everybody. It is Tuesday, December 15th. It's almost 4 o'clock right now and I'm just starting the vlog, but I had work this morning. I worked from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and then I came home, hung out with Ian for a little bit, and then I just had a work meeting with my other job. Today is a very chill day. I need to run to Target and I need to get a stocking stuffer thing for Ian, and then also a wedding gift for a wedding I'm going to on Thursday. I decided I needed a car wash because my car is pretty gross. You can kind of see the speckles on the windows. Yeah, it's pretty bad because of the snow and the rain. And I have a car wash pass, so why not use it? Tonight for dinner, I'm going to be making some cashew chicken. This is one of my favorite dishes I had when I lived in Thailand, so we're going to try to make some tonight and hopefully it tastes delicious. Making dinner and it looks so good. I'm gonna show you guys. We got our cashew chicken right here. We're gonna do the taste test to see if it tastes like my one in Thailand. Cashew, ready? That's really good actually. I'm just gonna sit here and eat and probably just relax and watch a movie and wait till Ian gets home. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday today and we are in the kitchen and we're gonna make some breakfast. So we're gonna be making some hash brown, eggs, and some bacon. So it's gonna be a really yummy breakfast. That was the worst egg crack ever. There's your breakfast, baby.
Thanks, babes.
Right, guys, I just finished making breakfast and I'm just eating. I gave Ian his food because he's taking his real estate test right now. So now here's breakfast. So I just finished eating my breakfast and now it is time to edit another vlog. Really have been enjoying this laptop. I got this like a week or so ago and it's been seriously amazing. This is a MacBook Pro 2020 M1 chip. And it's definitely made my editing a lot easier and quicker, so that's been awesome. But my camera's gonna die, so I should go plug that in and I will see you guys later. Alright guys, so I have been at work for the last few hours and I'm just home taking a quick little break, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog there because honestly I'm just gonna be at work till 11, so there's not gonna be much happening. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today and I will see you later. Bye! Today we are in the kitchen and we are going to be making some Christmas treats, so I'm super excited. Started making some sugar cookie dough and it's now in the fridge being cool or sitting. What's the term? I don't even know. So I made the dough. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of the dough. Like, they claim that it was like a really amazing recipe, but it used like powdered sugar instead of regular sugar, which I've never like heard of before. and I tasted the dough afterwards and like asked for a teaspoon of salt, which seemed like a lot to me. But yeah, I'm not really a fan of the dough, so I might have to make more dough later with a different recipe because it's not the best to me. But we'll see after it cools and chills, like if it tastes better. Also gonna be making these really yummy little pretzel treats with a Rolo and M&M on top, and then these really awesome marshmallow kind of cornflake wreaths. I make them every year with my mom, so I decided to make them and we're gonna go give them out to our friends and neighbors. Made royal icing for the first time and I'm trying to decorate cookies with it. I feel like it's a little messy, but you know, I'm kind of happy with it. So these are the Christmas trees right now. I'm letting them set and then I'll decorate them with ornaments. 5 hours later and I'm just finishing making all the treats and everything. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like. So these are like the little cornflake Krispies wreaths. And then we got these little cute pretzel Rolo M&M treats. This is my first time using royal icing and I feel like I did a decent job. So I got some snowflakes, candy canes, Christmas trees, and then some stockings right here. So my makeup is done now because I'm actually about to leave to go to a wedding. I just need to get dressed for the wedding. But I'm wrapping these boxes and they're so cute. So I got these cute gift boxes at Target. So we are ready to go to the wedding. And yeah, we're gonna party it up. Guys, look how much snow there is. And it's still snowing. It's like light outside even though it's super late because all the snow makes it so light. So exciting. Look at my handsome husband. Everybody, it is Friday today. I am ready because I'm gonna go to a shoot today. We're shooting up in the mountains with this model named Lou and I'm super excited. I've shot with her before. She is stunning and super talented. And I'm actually dressed super warm because I'm not gonna let the cold get me today because the last few shoots I've done, I've literally died of coldness.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like
we just finished the shoot. It was so much fun. Now I'm headed home. It was seriously so fun. We got some really cute shots. I'm so excited to edit them. Look at Frosty go. So I'm gonna end the vlog here and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.